Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. My name is Terry and today I will share with you how to take right of price rocketing up. So today our mainly contents regarding the first one, Lifeline tells whether the stock has life or not. The second part, the price rocketing up pattern. And the third part, how to identify retail investor and big fish. The fourth one, we use MA moving average combined with multi-color dragon. So this template is very useful for most retail investors. Even you are newbie, you are just learning stock investment. So this template also works well. How to take right of price rocketing up. So first we look at the first one. The lifeline can tell us whether the stock has life or not. So we see here four different color lines. We see the red line, the yellow line, the white line, and the light blue line. So all these lines are moving average. And here you see the parameter. Red line means 3-day moving average. Here we use daily chart, but the same as the minute chart. See, if you see the 30-minute, 60-minute, or even we use weekly chart or monthly chart, all works. Okay, so here we can change different color. You just use the one you prefer, and also we can change the parameter. So here the red line is 3-day, can tell us the short-term trend, the short-term movement. And the yellow line is 5 days, white line is 10 days, and the blue line is the 20 days moving average. So we can use the lines to tell us currently the stock is bullish up or bearish down. And the candlestick, it have support or resistance. So it will be very helpful. How to see? We see here. You see currently these four lines all turn up. So means currently the stock movement, it is bullish up. If we can enter around here, see previously all the moving average, it converts together, then candlestick break up, and afterwards all these four moving average turn up. So if we can enter around here and hold stock always, so we can make a lot of profits. This is very easy. So these four lines all bleach up. So tell us the stock is very strong. We can continue to hold this stock. But if stock like this, so you can see very clearly, in this stock, these four lines all bearish down, all turn down. So means currently this stock, it is bearish down. And also means we can only wait and see. If we buy long, we take buy long for example. But if you sell short, you also can consider vice versa the uses also the same. So we take buy long as example. If all this moving average turn down, so means currently no big chance and it's very risky. The risk is much more than profit. So how to do? We just wait and see. You know why? See here, the price may have some rebound. Example here, it continue rising 3 days. But the thing is, even the short-term moving average, the red line, the yellow line turn up, but the white line, the blue line still turn down. So means very small rebound only. So 3 days rebound later, the price hit the resistance, cannot break up, cannot continue, and then it will bearish down again. Very clear, right? So for short-term trading or day trading, we may have some quick money, short-term money, but no big profits at all, as the trend is bearish down. Okay, so it will very clear to tell us currently we have chance or not. Okay, so we see here this one. Previously, the candlestick, the price, very big. So means the momentum is very strong, and also the volume is bigger than previous days. So here the candlestick break up all the moving average. Usually means a very bullish signal. So afterwards, the price may continue bullish up, and here we may consider to enter. So after we enter, the price just stand above all rainbow lines. So means it have support, and the price will bullish up. So we can always hold stock. Okay, so no need worry. Even here, we have some days pullback. Example, here have 2 days, here 1 day, and here we got 3 days sideways or pullback. But it doesn't matter, no need worry, as the price, the candlestick still stand above the rainbow lines, especially the black one. And later I will show you the black line, what's the meaning. It is very important for retail investors. So if the price, the candlestick still stand above the moving average, so we can still hold. Means currently the trend is bullish up and the price will continue rising, so we can continue make money. It will be very easy, right? And we see another example here. You see the same pattern. So previously, all the rainbow lines converge together, and here the candlestick break up all this moving average, and also the volume bigger than previous days. So means here the banker, the big fish may enter already. So we just follow. You see afterwards, all the profits we can make. Very beautiful and very easy. So based on the price and the volume relationship, it's very clear here. If the candlestick must be green color, the green color means it's bullish signal. So the bullish signal, the bullish candlestick break up the moving average and also the volume bigger than previous days. So here it will be a very good signal to enter. And after we enter here, the price just move above all the moving average. So means currently the price, the stock, it have support, and also the price, it will be continue higher and higher. So we will make more and more profits. Okay, just hold your stock if it's very bullish. Then we see here how beautiful you see. The price candlestick break up the moving average and also the volume bigger and bigger. So price will be higher and higher. No matter how much percent it rise already. So if the price, the candlestick still stand above the moving average, and also the moving average very bullish up, so we can continue hold. It doesn't matter, no need worry. And also, this is the best chance for us to make money. Okay, just hold your stock, and the moving average will be act as moving support. If the candlestick, the price just stand above the moving average, so it means the price will continue bullish up, even continue hit new high. This will be our best chance to make money. Okay, so you see another example, very beautiful. Here is bottom, the price is very low, and most of us want to catch bottom. We enter with a lower price, but the thing is, how can we know it's bottom already? How you know after we enter here and the price with a higher probability it will bullish up. So we see the signal. First we check a very big bullish candlestick break up all this moving average in one day, and also the volume is bigger. So here it tells us currently it will be a very good entry point. After we enter here, afterwards we see the price, the candlestick always move above the moving average lines. So means all the moving average lines will be support and the price will be higher and higher. So this will be our best time to make profits. Okay, also example here, we see very clearly. The bullish candlestick break up all the moving average lines. So means the momentum is very strong and also a bottom signal. The volume here is bigger than previous days. So confirm each other. The volume confirm price. Usually when price rise, it must need volume to double confirm. But when price drop, no need. Okay. So here we see the volume bigger and also the price break up all the moving average lines. And afterwards, the candlestick, the price just stand above all the moving average line. So means here we enter and we can always hold stock, so can make money. Okay, but just enough the parameter is Comey parameter. For most retail investor, we all use the Comey indicator, the Comey parameter. That's the reason why we are always be easy to be trapped in the stock investment, no matter the bullish trap, the bearish trap. So how to avoid all the traps? So here I share with you the magical banker parameters. So here you see the small square, bigger square, and the even much bigger square. You see the numbers 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. Okay, so these numbers we see. Can you find any rules inside this between these numbers? So example here, you see all this number, if 1 plus 1, it equals 2. 1 plus 2, it equals 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. And 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8, it is 13. And 8 plus 13 is 21. And next one will be 34, 55, 89, 144. So all this, it is the Fibonacci number. So here you must know these numbers is not the Comey parameter. So this in this Fibonacci sequence, every number equal to is the sum of previous two numbers. Okay, so it's very clear. So now you see for banker, for big fish, they always never use the Comey parameter. So this magical indicator, magical parameter, if we also use, and then your investment accuracy will be pretty high and you will never be trapped by the big fish. Okay, so all friends here, you can take picture. Also, you can write down these numbers. So you go to your trading system and you try to change the parameter to the banker one. Okay, see if you do very short term, you can use 3 days, 5 days, 8 days, 3, 5, 8. So if you do the mid short term, we can consider the 8, 13, 21. If you do with trading or mid long term, then you can consider bigger parameter. Okay, but must choose among these and also use this banker parameter. So the accuracy will be much higher. Okay, let's see the example. And here I use one of the Fibonacci number. So here it is 13 days moving average. And also we call it lifeline. Lifeline means if candlestick price above this line, then the stock have life. If have life, it continue bullish up. Okay, so we see how it works. Okay, you see here, if candlestick above and also this lifeline turn up, so means this stock have life. it will continue bullish up. So no need worry. You just hold for mid long term and wait for more profits. Even here, the price have some very big drop, but when hit this line, it goes support and then bullish up again. Okay, so this is how lifeline works. It will be very important support, and it tell us this stock it have life, so it will continue bullish up and also have a chance to make much more profit. But if a stock like this, here also the lifeline in daily chart, it is 13 days moving average. Okay, so this line currently is a lifeline. If the line turn down, all right, so means this stock no good. It have not have life, don't have life. If the stock no life, so means what? So means that even here it have some kind of rebound. 2 days, 3 days, or even some day very big rise. But the thing is, the stock no life. And the small rebound finish, hit the lifeline, got resistance, it will bearish down again. It will drop again and continue hit new low. The thing is, nobody knows how low it will go. As the stock no life, the lifeline turn down, so means the price, small rebound finish, it will continue bearish down and continue drop. So if you no time to monitor this kind of stock, better not touch, or can only consider sell short, cannot buy long. Okay, very risky. Yeah. And we combined the lifeline, the price movement with volume together. So you see here, if volume is 1 times bigger than previous days, the volume nearly 1 times bigger than previous days. And also, this is a middle bullish candlestick, stand above the lifeline. So the volume confirm the price movement, and the price and the volume have a very good confirm each other. Also, the price just move around the lifeline and the lifeline turn up. So means we can enter, we can hold, oh no problem. We will make a lot of profits in this kind of movement. Okay, and also here you see, many friends may ask, like here, the candlestick is red. How it is also an entry point? So we see the red candlestick here means this day the price drop. So it is a red candle. But the close price still above yesterday close price. Even above yesterday the highest price. It is gap up. So here also works. So here even the candlestick is red color, but the real meaning still bullish. So the signal still entry point. And after we enter here, the price, the candlestick just stand above the lifeline. So means we can still hold and also can make money. It will be very easy, right? So you see, the price continue bullish up and also volume higher and higher. So means price is very healthy. Even hit new high already, but it will continue bullish up. So we can always hold, no problem. Even we miss the best entry point, but in stock market, it is very generous. You have many other chance to enter. See, every time when the price pull back to the lifeline, when the price, the candlestick hit the lifeline, got support, it will continue bullish up. So every time will be our chance to enter, to add position, so we can make the whole round of profits. Okay, but if the lifeline turn down, it also will be worked as a resistance. Even have some rebound, but when hit the lifeline resistance, it will pull back again. So below lifeline and the lifeline turn down, we better wait and see, not touch. It's very risky, yeah. So now we make a conclusion. No matter we do short-term trading, mid-term trading, or even day trading, trend is always the first thing, the most important thing we should to check. So if a lifeline turns up, so means the trend currently is bullish up. We have higher probability to make money. If lifeline turn down, so means currently the trend is bearish down, so no big chance to rise. And if lifeline is flat, so means current trend is sideways, no big chance to make money. Okay, so we must check the trend first, and then how you know the price will rocket up. So now I show you the second part. You see the pattern. Before we learn the rocketing up pattern, we must know how big fish moves, how big fish operate a stock. So here we must know very clearly what period the big fish in, and then we know which fish will be our best chance to make money. If the big boy want to do a stock, it must collect enough chips at the bottom. Only after have enough chips, and then they will testing, will pull the price rise a bit, just testing whether many retail investors follow or not. If so, then the price will continue correction. It may be long-term sideways, it may be short-term big drop, until make the retail investors out of the stock, and then it will be the price pushing, also the best chance for us to make money. But the thing is, if you never learned this, maybe you out already. When the banker make the bearish trap, you out already. So means afterwards all the profits you will miss. At the higher level, the banker take profit, and also we can follow to sell at the higher point. So after the chips clearance, so we sell already, and when the price big drop, also nothing to do with us already. So we see previously first wave small rise, the second wave have some correction, the third wave big rise, also confirmed by volume, so it will be our chance to make money. First wave small rise, second wave pullback, and the third wave big rise, also our best chance to make money. Okay, so this is the pattern. But how you know currently the big fish play or not? And also, how can we know whether have many retail investors play here? So we must use the technology, the magical indicator, to help us to follow big fish. Here, the multicolor dragon can tell retail investor currently who played here. So in this indicator, the red bar here we can understand as big fish. The yellow bar we can understand as hot money. The green bar we can understand as retail money. So you see how it works. For any stock, even the global indexes, if most parties red bar, so means the big fish play here, and also the price will be higher and higher. If most parties yellow bar, so means hot money play here, and usually the price will continue sideways. No big rise, also no big drop. But if most parties green bar, so means currently this stock is played by retail money, by retail investor. The big fish flowing out already, and the big money no more. So the price will continue bearish down. So we see examples, then it will be more clear. Example in this stock, we see most part it is a green bar. The green bar means the retail investor here. Last day, you see, at the last day, the green bar takes 96.9%. So means most part is retail investors. And the red bar smaller and smaller. The big money, the big fish, out and out. No more ready. So more and more retail investors locked here. But many friends may ask, why retail investors can be locked so much? So you see, if the banker they want take profit at the high price, and usually they will release many good news for you. You may hear many tips, many good news regarding this company. But the thing is, if you see the red bar smaller and smaller, so means the big money they flowing out already. So we must follow the big fish and also take profits at a high level. This is the right way to avoid the risk. Okay, so if for any stock, now you know if most part is green bar, we just wait and see, we not touch. Okay, if most part is yellow bar means hot money. If most part is yellow bar, and then we see the price just sideways, we can consider buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high in the box to make some pocket money, coffee money, but definitely in this kind of movement, no big money to make. Okay? As no trend. No trend also means no big money. If most part yellow bar, we also bet not touch, as it will need a lot of time, waste a lot of chance, the market chance, your time and your energy, but the profit not so big. Okay, so this is hot money, and only this kind of a stock it will help us make big money. So you see, in this stock, most part in multicolor dragon, it is red bar. And also we can see the last day here, the last day, the red bar takes 97%. So it means most part big fish here. The big money continue flow in, and then they can control the stock. So if a big fish always here, the price will always rising, no matter how many percent profits they make already. The stock, the price continue rise already. So if big fish here, the price will continue. But for most retail investor, if you don't have this indicator, if you never learned how big fish operate a stock, so you see, when the stock have 2 weeks sideways, maybe you sell already, you after already. And also after some rising, the price pull back again. Maybe you sell again. But the thing is, currently the price, the candlestick still above lifeline. And also for multicolor dragon, most part is the red bar. So means the big fish here, then no need worry. The short-term big drop, the long-term sideways, they are all the bankers' bearish trap. They want you out. They want you give your chips to banker, to big fish. Okay, so now you see, we combine the lifeline, we combine multicolor dragon, we see the big fish here, we see the stock have life. So no need to sell. We just hold. We make money with the banker together. Okay? So only this way can we really maximize our profits. Okay, so now I give you one template. So many friends here, maybe you are very new, you are new learner, you never learned so many theories. See the trend theory, you don't know. The wave theory, you never learned yet. Even many other things, you still don't know. It's okay, no need worry. So if you can follow the lifeline and follow the big fish pretty well, and also your profits, no problem. So this template for all friends here, no matter you are new learner or you very experienced in stock investment. See, maybe you do stocks for 20 years, for 30 years, this template also works well. So how this template works? Before we learn, and here is password for this session. And today, our password is Rocket Up. So please WhatsApp this password to this number, okay, to this hotline. And this is one of your homework. Now you attend the class is maximize trading profit by magical indicators. And today in our class, how to take right of rocketing up profits. So today our password is rocket up, rocket up. I see again. Please WhatsApp this password rocket up to this hotline. Okay, so this is your homework. Remember already? Everybody write down already. So you can do now. In case you forget, you can do now. You just take out your phone and WhatsApp, rocket up to this hotline. Better you can save this number. You save this hotline, and afterwards all the courses, some questions, or even you want one-to-one coaching, just feel free to contact this hotline. So our team will help you. Okay. So please save this number and WhatsApp rocket up to this hotline. Done already? Good job. So we continue. Now you see this is the template. So you can use different parameter moving average, but better use the Fibonacci number, use the banker parameter. Okay. And also we can use single line. We just use lifeline combined with multicolor dragging also works well. So now you see it's a multi-moving average. So means here got three lines stand for different period. You may choose 3, 5, 8 or 5, 8, 13 or even bigger parameter also works well. Okay, it's depending on your own need. Say you do short term, mid term, or wave trading, or mid long term. So you just choose a different parameter. And here we see the price break up the moving average, and all moving average turn up. Also, you see the red bar break up the purple line here. See, the purple line means moving average of big fish. So if red bar break up purple line, usually it will be a very good entry point. It's a very good signal to enter. Whenever you see the red bar break up purple line, the red bar break up purple line, and also the price stand above all moving average, it will be a very good chance to enter. So after we enter here, price no big rise, all right? But it doesn't matter as the candlestick, the price still stand above the last moving average. So if parameter bigger, and it will be at the bottom. If parameter smaller, it will be at the top. This is the moving average. But afterwards, we see the candlestick, the price just move above the moving average. And the most part here in multicolor dragon, we see most part it is red bar. The red bar means the big money, the big fish continue to flow in. If the big money flow in, also means the price will have more power to continue push up. So it can higher and higher. So our profits will be more and more. This is the template how it works. So now you see, we just follow trend. We just follow big fish, and then our profit, it will be safe and sustainable. So we see next example. Here also you see is the moving average. We combined with multi-color dragon, but previously you see most part is a green bar. If most part is a green bar, so means this period the price will continue bearish down. Even have some small rebound, have some sideways, but after rebound finish, it will continue bearish down. No big chance. It will continue drop until we see the red bar appear. See, you see the red bar appear, and also the price, the candlestick stand above the moving average. So maybe we can consider to catch bottom. But this entry point, we can build a position with small money. You can use 1/3. See example. If you want to this stock with 10K, and here you build a position, can use 3K around 1/3 of your position. As currently we see above this line, if bearish down, parameter bigger, and the line will be at top. So this line still worked as resistance, even have some rebound. Here the price is very low but not safe. So we can consider build a position with 1/3 of our capital. And then you see the red bar rising. Can see clearly. See the red bar rising and the green bar smaller. So it means the big money continue flow in. With the big money flow in, the price can be higher and higher. Maybe this price reach too many retail investors cost. So previously they enter, but the price dropped. They locked here. Then the price rise some and reach the level their cost. So they may be out already. And so you see the retail investor, the green bar smaller and smaller. The red bar continue rising, the big money continue flow in, so we see the price can be higher and higher. So we can consider catch bottom here, build a position with 1/3 of our capital. And if afterwards the price, the candlestick, stand above all moving average, and also all the moving average lines turn up, the red bar continue bigger and bigger, then we can hold stock. Okay, or can add a position. It will be a very chance to add more position or just hold. So here will be chance to enter bottom catch. Okay, so this is the template. And now we see another example here. Also, we use moving average combined with multicolor dragon. You see here, we can consider to catch bottom. But the thing is, this entry point, the price is very low. But after we enter, the red bar continue rising. So we see the price move above the moving average. We just hold stock until price break down moving average. And also we see here, the red bar break down purple line. When red bar break down purple line, so means no good. The big money may flow out. So this purple line turn down, the red bar smaller and smaller, better we out also. We just follow big fish. Big fish enter and rising, we just enter and hold stock. Whenever the big fish out, and also the price break down moving average support. So here means we must take profit also. So you see, after we take profit, then all the moving average turn down, the price just move below the moving average. And also the big fish flowing out. So we see many other retail investors locked here. Even around here, you may got many tips. You may got many news. The fundamental may be very good, But the thing is, if the big fish out, we must follow. So you see, after ready, the price very down, and then you will be very happy. As when the red bar rising, the big fish continue flow in, the price continue bleach up. So this period, the safe profits we make already. And when big fish flowing out, we also follow them. We take profit around here. Okay, so this is the template. Tell you how to enter, how to hold stock, and also how to take profit. So this is the one very good template. Here, the price stand above the moving average. See this example. The price here stand above moving average, and the moving average turn up. Also, the red bar here stand above purple line, break up purple line. So this is our chance to enter. We enter here, and afterwards, the candlestick, the price just move above the moving average. Also, the moving average turn up, bleach up, and the most part is red bar. So means this stock is a good, strong stock. It's very bullish. So never sell your bullish stock. Just hold. And also, nobody knows how far it will go. As big fish here, the price will never stop. We just hold and make money with big fish together. Okay, very easy, yeah. So here you see another example. We just use one line. Here is the 13 days moving average. You see here, D means the daily chart. You can use weekly chart, minute chart based on your own need. Okay, so in this daily chart, in this stock, the lifeline 13 days moving average, it is bleached up. The stock, the price just move above the lifeline, and also the volume bigger and bigger, it support the price rising. You must know our friends here, you must know, all right? So even the most strong stock, it cannot rise every day. It must have some pullback, have some correction. It's all right. It's normal. It's okay. It's acceptable. So if the price move above the lifeline and also the big fish here, we see most part is red bar. So means this kind of stock is very strong. We can just hold, then we can make a lot of money. Whenever the red bar break up purple line, so means the big money continue flow in. So we can enter, we can add position, oh no problem. So good stock, just hold. Only this way can we times our profits. Okay, so we see this example. Also here, you see the candlestick, the price gap up, stand above the lifeline. So previously, the lifeline will be resisting, but once the price stand above the lifeline, so it will be support. Also, the big fish, the red bar, break up purple line, so means the big money flow in. The big money flow in, the price stand above lifeline, and also the lifeline turn up. So the trend, okay. The money flow, okay. And the volume also support. So this stock, it will be really very strong. It can be bleached up. And if we enter just the hold, the lifeline will be our moving stop loss and the moving profit taking. Whenever the price break down lifeline and also the big fish flowing up, it's time to take profit. If the lifeline continue bleach up and also the big fish still here, no need worry. Even you make a 100%, 200%, 500% profits already, but this rising, it will continue. Okay, so we see this template. This lifeline can tell us currently the stock having life or not. So here you see, if the lifeline turn down, this period the stock have life or not? So obviously, no life. As the lifeline turn down, so this lifeline will act as resistance. Whenever the price have some rebound, whenever hit the resistance, it will bearish down again. It will drop again. Okay, so we can use the trend line. You use the lifeline to check the trend. The trend is bullish up or bearish down. The stock have life or not. Then we can use multi-color dragon to double confirm. See previously, this period, the price stand above the lifeline and the lifeline bullish up. And also here, from the money flow, we see the red bar continue bullish up. If the red bar rising, so means the big money continue flow in. And also the price, it have power to continue bullish up until here. So you see, whenever the red bar break down purple line, so this purple line very important. If a red bar above purple line and also this purple line bullish up, so it tells us currently the big fish here and also the big money continue flow in, so the price will continue bullish up. But when the red bar break down purple line and also the purple line turn down, so we see the red bar smaller and smaller. So means the big money currently it make enough money already. So they take profit already. So the big fish flowing out. Also, we must follow. It will be our chance to take profit. So usually we see from the trend, the price will break down our lifeline. So means this stock no life anymore. If candlestick, especially the close price, stand below the lifeline for 3 days. You see here, this is the first day, close price below the lifeline. This is the second day, close price below the lifeline. And this is the third day, close price below the lifeline. So here, you know three rules. Three rules means one is 3 day and another is 3%. So if a close price below the lifeline 3 days or 3% can meet anyone, it works. So if a close price below the lifeline 3 days or 1 day big drop, the close price below the lifeline 3%. So it means this breakdown is effective, not bearish trap, not false signal. So means it really break down already. The stock no life already. The big fish flowing out already. So if we know the big fish, they take profit already and we must follow, okay? Even we out here, also no problem. So you see, afterwards, the lifeline turn down, the stock no life, it will continue bearish down. Okay, so we after here, and then afterwards, this month bearish down, we can avoid this risk until next time the price stand above lifeline again and also the big money flow in again, it will be our another round of chance to make money. Okay, so in stock market we make big money, make small money, all right, we make money, we will be happy, but the thing is you must learn how to set stop loss, how to protect your capital. Okay, we can make a small loss, but never big loss, never locked here. This is the first lesson you must learn before you do any trading, do any investment. Okay, so here we see another example. Previously, the lifeline, we see it's bullish up, and also the price above this line. You make small money, you make big money, you do day trading, short-term trading, all no problem. So I show you, if you are day trader, you must see a daily chart or weekly chart. The candlestick must be green, you know. If the candlestick is green, then you go to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, even 60 minutes, then you do the day trading. The probability to make money will be pretty high. But if in day trading the candlestick is red or it's below lifeline, also no big fish, then you go to day trading will be very risky. Now you see the investment philosophy. We call long term first, short term next. We must make analysis in bigger time frame. We make analysis, we make a decision, we use weekly chart or daily chart. Then we trading in minute chart. This is the right ways. Okay. If in daily chart it's very bullish, so means the chance is very big. Then we can go to minute chart to find some chance to make quick money. But if the daily chart, the weekly chart is very bearish, so means that it's very risky. The probability we make money, we do day trading, it's very low. We must mind the potential risk. Okay, so previously it's okay, but you see this period, even until today, the lifeline turned down, so means this stock no life currently, no life. If daily chart is green, then in minute chart we may get some short-term quick money, make some small profits, but no big one. But if it's red color, then very, very difficult to make money. We better wait and see. Or if you are very new, you are new learner, also you don't have so much time to look at your chart, to look at your movement. If you see the lifeline turn down, the stock no life already, so suggest all friends, you better wait and see. You know, in any trading or investment, we must learn how to rest. If the market have chance, then we do. And if the market no chance, we just wait and see. This is also your discipline in stock investment. For all friends, you must learn. In stock investment, if we want succeed, if we want make safe and sustainable profits, but never 100% guarantee one, we learn, we use the technology, we use the software, we can improve our probability to make money. But everything not 100% one. Okay, so if fail, say after we enter but the price drop, then we must set stop loss and protect our capital to avoid the bigger loss. Okay, so if there is no chance, then we must wait. Knowledge can learn very easily, and the software also can learn very easily. The most difficult one is mindset. Mindset can only improve by yourself, can never learn. Okay, so mindset, knowledge, and the software, these three together can make you successful. But if you can follow a higher probability, you make profit, no problem. So you see, if the candlestick, the price break down the lifeline, and also we see here the red bar below purple line, the red bar break down purple line already, and also the purple line turn down, the red bar smaller and smaller, so means here we must take profit. Take profit, we just follow big fish. Price break down lifeline and also effectively break down are not false signal, not a bearish trap. It's really break down three roots, 3 days or 3%. So means the big fish now it's really go out. If the big fish flowing out, the red bar smaller and smaller, also the price effectively break down the lifeline. So means we also must top escape. No other ways. Okay, so previously this round we can make profits and also can avoid the risk afterwards. So if the lifeline always turn down, we just wait and see. No big fish, no inter. You know what I mean? So means here, many friends, if you make money, you always want to catch bottom. Especially you see, gap down, gap down, gap down, drop so much. And then it must have some rebound. You want catch bottom. But if you not set stop loss, if you not very fast, you see, still gap down, continue drop. You may be very easy to lose money. And you consider to catch bottom again. So near the lifeline resistance, it will continue bearish down. So really not easy to make money. And that's the reason why we see trend is the most important. So if the trend is bearish down, is sideways, we better wait and see. And only when trend turn up already, and also the big fish flow in already, and then it will be our chance. Okay, so you see, for many stocks, it dropped years already. The price dropped more than 90% already, really very low. You want to catch bottom, but the thing is, don't forget, if the big fish not come, you just check, you open your app Homely chart, you just check the stock having big fish or not. It dropped so much, all right. It dropped so long, all right. But the thing is, if no big fish come, and definitely the price will no big rise. So example here, it rise 3 days here and hit the lifeline resistance and then continue drop again, continue hit new low. And also we must very clear this 3 days rebound. It is pushed by yellow bar, by hot money. Hot money, such as the fund manager, they just buy, sell. They trade very frequently in minute, in second chart. So you see, the price will up, down, just sideways here. If no big fish, no red bar, so means no big money flow in, and also the price will no big rise. Okay, so you make it very clear. We just follow this simple template. If you can follow, you just repeat, just like Control C, Control V, and then you will see your profits will be bigger. It is a very interesting thing. So, our friends, thank you for attending this class, and we will finish here. And if you not sent your password yet, so remember to send the password Rocket Up to our hotline. And also, you can set in your mobile the 13-day moving average. Also combine with multi-color dragon to follow your stocks, to follow big fish. Okay, so if you still not clear how to catch bottom, how to enter, and how to hold stock, or how to take profit, please feel free to contact our hotline for one-to-one coaching. It's a free one for your better understanding and master all the knowledge. Okay, so today we will finish here and see you next lesson. Goodbye.